Welcome to this lesson on present perfect questions. Today, we'll learn how to form questions using the present perfect tense. This is an essential skill for asking about experiences and actions that happened at an unspecified time in the past. The structure for present perfect questions is simple. We start with either have or has, then add the subject, and finally the past participle of the main verb. For example, have plus subject plus past participle with a question mark at the end. Choosing between have and has depends on the subject. Use have with I, you, we, and they. Use has with he, she, and it. This rule is the same as in present perfect statements, but remember that in questions, have or has comes first. Let's look at some examples with have. Have you finished your homework? Have they visited Paris? Have we met before? Notice how have comes before the subject in each question, and the main verb is in its past participle form. Now here are examples with has. Has she eaten lunch? Has he called you? Has it stopped raining? Again, has comes first, followed by the subject, and then the past participle of the main verb. When answering present perfect questions, we use short answers. For have you finished, we can say yes, I have, or no, I haven't. For has she called, we say yes, she has, or no, she hasn't. Notice we use the same auxiliary verb in the answer. We can also use WH question words with the present perfect. For example, where have you been? What has she done? How long have they lived here? The WH word comes first, then have or has, then the subject, and finally the past participle. A common mistake is forgetting the correct word order. Remember, have or has always comes before the subject in questions. Don't say you have finished, say have you finished. Getting the word order right is crucial for forming correct present perfect questions.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.